Hello, welcome to Introduction to Logic. My name is Lucas Struble and I'm the instructor for this course. I've been teaching logic for about 15 years now, and I've been teaching online for several years, so you're in good hands. This first video for the course is going to give you some sense of the structure of the course, and then the other videos in this unit will introduce you to how to navigate the website and get into the actual subject matter, namely logic. So, let's get going. So the structure for this course will be like this. There'll usually be about 4 units per week, or 4 modules per week, and there'll usually be 4 homework assignments due per week. That's more than there would be in a regularly scheduled course, but because this is a compressed course, there'll be a bunch of homework every week. And the homework assignments will typically be due on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday nights at 11:59 p.m. You'll see when you look on the website that there are a bunch of assignments in advance, and usually assignments will be available in advance, although not always. So in each unit, on the course website, there'll be videos like this, and associated with the video slides. And if you look beneath this video, you'll see that there are some linked documents. There's the syllabus, and then also there's a thing called logistics, and that is the PowerPoint that you're seeing right now. And so normally these videos will be on course concepts, and then also you'll be seeing me working example problems. Also for each unit, they'll be reading from the text, and you'll be doing exercises, some on Canvas, most in a program called Logic 2010, which is a freely available program. And actually, I should say that the text is also freely available, and I'll be talking about how to get that shortly. Your course grade will be determined from homework exercises and exams, and the exams will basically going to be just like sort of glorified homework exercises, just worth a little bit more points, and with a few other changes, which we'll be talking about when we get to them. So the text. So our main text is called Shantila's Inside Logic, and it's written by Marvin Belzer. But it's not available as it's free, and it's not available as one big book. Rather, it's a bunch of Word documents, and it's available in modules on Canvas. So you'll see that in this module, there's links to chapters 1 and 2 of this text, and they're just 2 Word files which you can download and open on your computer. And as we move forward, there'll be more pieces of the text available in further modules. Not all of the modules that you can see right now. You can see a bunch of the modules, but not all of the modules that we'll be covering in this course, by the way. There is another text, another free text. This one is called An Exposition of Symbolic Logic, and that one's written by Terry Parsons. That's available through the program, and it's in the program. We'll use it occasionally, and when we do, I'll have it on the website and also show you how to get it through the program. But for right now, we're just going to be using Shantila's Inside Logic. So Logic 2010. So it's free software. You'll do a lot of your homework in it, and we'll be talking more about it in the next unit. For this unit, you're going to need to create an account in the program, and that'll be you won't actually do any homework in it. There are some other homework assignments, but none in the program. In another video in this unit, you'll see how to get the program and how to create an account. So you'll just see about that in another video. So your homework exercises, though regular and important, normally they'll be due Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, and Sundays at 11:59 p.m. This week, because of how we're starting, your first assignment is due Thursday night, and then they get onto the Friday, then they go onto this schedule. Some of your homework will be on Canvas, and for your first homework assignment, everything but creating an account with the program will be on Canvas. But most of your homework assignments will be in the Logic 2010 program, and so you'll be getting used to doing that. And it's important that you do the homework exercises, first of all, because they constitute almost all of your grade, and secondly, because that's how you learn the material. The assignments, your homework assignments will be listed they'll all be listed basically on the Canvas page, and I'll show you how to find that in another video here. And then also there's a separate assignments page for the Logic 2010 program, which will have some more detail about the Logic 2010 exercises, and again, that will be explained in further videos. So on the Canvas website, there's the syllabus. It's linked below, and then also if you look on the left-hand side of the website, there's all those different options available, and you can see the syllabus. And actually, the syllabus can be quite useful, that page, because it will list all of the assignments for the course and their due dates. Also, clicking on assignments will do that, so those are 2 places where you can see what's due. The text is available on the course website. There are discussion boards. Some of your homework assignments will be to participate in discussion boards, and those are also the best places to ask me questions. All the units or the modules. For video office hours, which will be by appointment, and I certainly am free and happy to meet with you, we'll be using Confer Zoom, which is just a video chat thing that has a nice screen sharing function and a multi-person chat. And then the assignments list, as I was saying. And some of the homework exercises. So there'll be some little quizzes also on the Canvas site, as well as the required discussions. Your course grade, okay, so how does that calculate it? So I figure out what your percentage is. And what is your percentage? Well, so I figure out how many points did you earn on Canvas, and how many points did you earn in Logic 2010. And I add that up, and that's your points. And then there are the total possible points, and that's just adding up how many Canvas points could be earned and how many Logic points could be earned. And then I divide your total points by the total possible points, and that's your percentage. And then your percentage translates into a letter grade in this sort of traditional scale. So 100 to 90 is an A, 89 through 80 is a B, 79 through 70 is a C, 69 through 60 is a D, and 59 through 0 is an F. So I don't expect to be assigning any of those, but there they are on that's how they are assigned, or that's how they're, yeah. Video office hours, we by appointment, email me, and we can set something up, and I'm happy to do that, and we'll use the Zoom program. And should you email me, then I'll send you a link to download the Zoom program, and that will take care of that. So what do you need to do? So you need to watch the videos and review the associated slides, and you need to read the text. And because this is an online course, you can do this in whichever order you want. In a traditional face-to-face class, you would read the text, and then you would go to class and just participate in class. And that's the standard sort of schedule, and an instructor might tell you, oh, look at the text afterwards. In addition, right now you can do it in whatever order you like. You can read the text and watch the videos and then read the text again, or you can watch the video first and then look at the text, or watch the video again. It's entirely up to you how you proceed in that order. And then you'll need to do the exercises. And you want to ask me questions when you have questions about the exercises or material from the videos or from the reading. And the best places to do that are on the discussion boards or in video conferences, video office hours. I prefer that you don't email me with questions about this stuff, because if you have a question about it, then someone else probably has a question about it too, and so I'd like to answer the question in a way that everybody can see the answer. And so the best place to do that is on the discussion boards. If you do email me with a question about these sorts of topics, I'll probably ask you to post it on the discussion board and then answer it there. And that's just so that everyone can see the material. If you have more personal questions about your particular grade, your particular situation, or whatever, then by all means, please email me. That's what that's for. So, for Thursday, you have several things to do. You're going to need to watch the other videos in this first module. You need to read the first 2 chapters of the text, which are downloadable in this module. You need to take the quiz on chapters 1 and 2, and that's linked in the module, and you can also find it in the assignments. You need to post in the discussion board on real-life reasoning, and you need to create an account in the free Logic 2010 program. And how to do that is discussed in another video in this module. So that's what you need to do. If you have any questions, please let me know.